As we all know that in this world there is inequality, there is rich and the poor people, there are superior and inferiors, there are high caste, there are bullets. If you look at the family, in family we find, the woman is not given equal status. They are confined in kitchen. They are made to work day in and day out. They are made to work. Their condition is pathetic. We find videos are exploited in society. Videos. So, in this lesson, we are going to see how the workers fought for equality. It may be the people who are working in mills, who are working in really factories, who are working in various hazardous factories, working for the landlords. We find here the struggle for equality. So before I start with this lesson, I request each and every students to kindly like the video if you like it. Kindly subscribe it if you have not subscribed, and share it among your friends. Now my dear students, as we all know, the class struggle, which is on the broad philosophy of man's emancipation, therefore in the course of the struggle with the political dependence, there are opposition to things like feudalism, social inequality, economic exploitation like freedom. The principle of equality is very important. From the point of view of the contribution of the movement built up by various social groups such as farmers, workers, women, Dalits, as well as the stream of socialism, we find the importance was given for equality, and they raised the voice against unjust treatment, whether it is farmers, workers, or women. Now I would like to give some example of the farmers who raised their voice, who wanted their rights. We will see now peasant movement. All Indian farmers had to suffer due to ill effects of British economic policy as well as no British economic policy. They were imposing taxes on the farmers. The British government used to protect the landlords and moneylenders. They gave unjust treatment to the farmers on many occasions. The farmers rose against injustice. The peasants in Bengal formed their union, revolted against compulsion of cultivating indigo. The play Nil Darpan depicts the voice against cultivation of indigo. Dinbandhu Mitra. It was written by, the title of the play Nil Darpan. They brought to the notice of the wretched condition of the farmers. By producing indigo in 1875, farmers in the Maharashtra rose and revolt against the atrocities of the landlords and the moneylenders. The farmers in Uttar Pradesh formed in 1918 under the leadership of Baba Ramchandra. The Mupla peasants rose and revolt against in the landlords in Kerala, but the British government crushed it down. We could also see that in 1936, with the initiative of Professor N.G. Ranga, Akhil Bharatiya was established. Swami Sadananda Saraswati was the president of this organization. The Sabha presented declaration of peasants' right to the Indian National Congress. The session of the Congress was held in rural part of Haisal in Maharashtra. Thousands of peasants attended the session. In 1938, crops in eastern Khandesh was destroyed due to heavy rain. The condition of the farmers were very bad. Their conditions were miserable, wretched. In order to get the land revenue waived, Sane Guruji organized the meeting and the procession at many places, and he took up marches on the office. Collector peasants participated in a large number in the revolutionary period in 1940.